Okay, guys. Hey, everyone. My name, I'm Eddie. We're building a marble and castle, and we're gonna build a tire. And the game and we play the marble to wheel and we play left or right. And that one, the nice and me and and that one had leave you want to.
And we're the Odd Family Trio.
And we are after the Gia.
And also, it's me, Skylar, Eddie's twin. Yes, we're twins.
And we're
And this is how massive it is. This is how massive it is. And I think he's been making this for like an hour or more.
And
or
we
like minutes.
watched Eddie cry on gumball. Right. Like this. We play karate and look stuff. We don't want to be a grown up.
Kids can be.
I don't want to get lost.
Yep.
Yeah.
Our room is like so small, but this is how big Eddie made it. He never made it this big before. It's usually like been like really short, like this short, but now it's like this. It's like this tall. And I am really surprised and impressed with him.
Okay, guys. We had the Marble One book.
When did you post this? We didn't. Some kid is
We will
filming.
play
Look at the
this
title.
one.
Taekwondo.
Okay.
I think they might be making fun of you.
And the Marble One will fall down.
Eddie knows.
Welcome. Everybody built this one. And
Sorry, I almost dropped.
this.
Just kidding, I get up.
So we
And I have like a cough and stuff.
higher.
And Eddie, are you done?
One girl who loved him for who he really was.
Yeah.
What a sad story.
So yeah, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.